here's a fairly tricky geometry problem. Give it a try, pause the video, because the solution's coming up. Okay, to attack a problem like this, because you have a circle, think about the theorems you know for circles. Now there is a theorem called the intersecting secants theorem, which just gives you the answer to this, but maybe you didn't study that, maybe you didn't memorize it. You have to solve this problem directly. Well, the most common theorem with angles inscribed in triangles is the inscribed angle theorem. And so let's draw some extra lines to turn this into inscribed angles. So if I draw a line here, then this bit of arc here is going to be twice whatever angle is here in red. That's the inscribed angle theorem. But the thing is, I can inscribe another angle with the same yellow bit of arc using that line. And so this other angle is equal. The two angles in red, this one and this one, are the same. So I've marked them the same in red. And that's going to be useful because that's going to help us construct some similar triangles. Remember, if 2 out of the 3 angles agree in a pair of triangles, they're similar, right? Because the third angle is also the same, since the angles in a triangle always add up to 180. So now we can make some similar triangles. We can draw this triangle in purple here, which has the red angle as a member and also the angle down in the bottom as a member. And we can pick another color to show the other similar triangle, let's say orange, which is going to again have the red angle in it and again go down to the bottom right. And so the purple triangle is actually similar to the orange triangle. And that's going to give us what we need, because the ratio of any two sides in one triangle is going to be equal to the same or the corresponding ratio of those two sides in the other triangle. So what sides do we know? Well, we know one side of the purple triangle is 10. That's what's given to us. And the ratio of that to another side is given to us as 4. So the ratio of 10 over 4 in the purple triangle has to be equal to the ratio of the corresponding sides in the orange triangle, which is 4 plus x divided by 3. And there you have it. Now we can solve for x. So moving the 3 to the other side gives us 30. Moving the 4 to the other side, and let's leave it on that side. 30 over 4 equals 4 plus x. So what is x? X equals 30 over 4 minus 4, which is the same as, let's say, 15 halves minus 8 halves, which is the same as 7 halves, or 3 1/2. So that's the answer for x. So the moral here is think about the theorems you do know and draw lines to try to create similar triangles.